All right, today for dinner, we're having, I'm going to call it the McBELT. That's a bacon, egg, and lettuce and tomato sandwich. Check this out. Okay, I got a little bit crazy. I put like 5 pieces of bacon on it. And beefsteak tomatoes. Let's see here. Come on apart there, boy. We got them all apart. See what we got in here. Let's see. Ooh-wee. Look at that there. All that bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, mayonnaise on an oversized bun. Let's see what it tastes like. Get a good taste on this bad boy. Look at that. Ooh. Can you taste it? Check it out. That bacon's just popping. And tomatoes. Just, I like a little extra mayonnaise. My bad, I had to get that. Very good. Simple to make. Toast your bun, scramble your egg. I make my bacon before I do the eggs because it's takes a little longer. Cut up your veggies, and you're in heaven. Stay tuned for tomorrow. What I'm going to say, don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow.